Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. Before you go through this video explanation, I would request you to go through the passage analysis video and this question, solve this question, and then go through this video explanation. The video explanation is going to make much more sense that way. Let's get started with the question now. What does the question talk about? It says in paragraph 6, the author provides the examples of crowberry and alpine azalea to demonstrate that. Why has he used this specific example? Now, in order to identify the answer, let's put up the specific context as well. What is the author referring to? The passage cites that shrubs such as crowberry and alpine azalea that grow along the forest floor tend to block the wind. So this is the first thing they do. So retain higher depths of snow around them. This is a consequence, right? So this happens, then this happens. This captured snow helps to keep soils insulated, then this happens, and in turn increases plant decomposition and nutrient release. So if you look at it one way, one thing is leading to another, right? One positive is leading to another, and there is a sort of a small chain reaction which has been set off, a chain reaction of positive events. He's using these examples of these two shrubs to highlight this positive example, right? Now, which is the option which highlights this sentiment? Option D is our option. The stability of the subnivium depends on several interrelated factors, including shrubs on the forest floor. The impact of shrubs, the interrelated factors, one thing leading to the other. This sentiment is best implied by option number D. Option number C, the crowberry and alpine azalea are abundant in temperate and Arctic regions. Remember, this is not about these two shrubs. This is about the impact of shrubs such as these two particular shrubs, right? He wants to highlight their impact on the subnivium. It's not about these two shrubs and their abundance. B, due to frigid temperatures in the temperate and the Arctic regions, plant species that survive tend to be shrubs rather than trees. This comparison of shrubs versus trees is not made in the passage, hence ruled out. Option number A, despite frigid temperatures, several species survive in temperate and Arctic regions. The thing is, this particular example is not there to show that species are surviving in temperate and Arctic regions. This is to show that what happens, the kind of interaction that takes place in the subnivium, right? Hence, option number A is also ruled out. A, B, and C are not valid derivatives. They are not the reasons why the author has used this example. Option number D is our perfect answer here. Hopefully so you're clear with the explanation now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.